She fell in the river before she could cry. The spring tide pulled her under. I jumped in to save her. The waves came like fire. They pushed me aside as they flung her. Her neck snapped like a branch as her head hit the banks, and the rocks ripped her blue dress right from her. I closed my eyes tight at the sight of her flesh. I could not watch Rosalie suffer. Black waters rising, black waters high. Mother, oh mother, I took your daughter down by the to hear the loons cry as I gazed in her eyes, asked her to be my betrothed. She danced with excitement, her hands trembled in mine. She was joyful when the sky rolled in with thunder, when the clouds opened wide and it started to pour. She slipped from my grasp into black water. Black waters rising, black waters high. An officer came quick and drew pictures of the last place I saw her. Mother, I loved her. I started to shiver when he asked me to recount her slaughter. He showed me a blue sleeve dug from under the leaves, a broken tooth, he could prove it was hers, a vial of soil from the roots of the trees, soaked with the blood of my sweet Rosalie. You told me yourself she was a quarrelsome girl. I never took heed of your slander. When I asked her to wed, she lay down and wept. The true love had fled. She'd rather be dead than forced to love some other. The child in her belly wasn't mine. Your Rosalie word was untrue, unkind. I only slapped her once on the cheek, raise her from her slumber, exorcise her demons. She wouldn't stop her crying, she wouldn't stop her screaming, and she called me a thief and a liar. Black waters rising, it's bringing up the body of Rosalie Wilde. My dear took her limp body, threw it to sea. I never dreamed what could dredge up dear Rosalie. I beg for your mercy, consider my love. If the child had been mine, I would have made her my bride. I could have shown Rosalie Wyatt how to love me. Black waters rising, black waters